NACD clutch adjustment models 1-7.5, 1-11.5, and 2-11.5. Tools required: torque wrench, 3/8 inch ratchet, 1.5 inch and 3/8 inch socket, 7/16 inch deep well socket, flat screwdriver, hammer and 10-inch punch, lockout tagout. Always wear proper clothing and personal protective equipment. Clothing should be close-fitting and tucked in. Hard hat, eye, and ear protection must be worn while working on the chipper. All eye protection must be OSHA approved and should consist of safety glasses with side shields, goggles, or a flip-down visor that may be plastic or mesh. Wear a sturdy pair of work pants and a good pair of steel-toed work boots with non-slip soles. Proper fitting gloves are also recommended to protect the worker's hands. Warning: always perform the lockout tagout procedure before working on your chipper. Serious injury or death could occur if someone accidentally starts the engine. Remove the clutch nameplate with a ratchet and 3/8 inch socket. Keep the plate close by as the information needed for adjusting your clutch is printed on the front. Next, rotate the clutch arms to access the adjustment lock. Using a ratchet and 7/16 inch deep well socket, loosen the lock and slide it up. You may need a flat screwdriver to hold the lock up while you retighten the bolt. This holds the lock up and out of the way while you adjust the clutch. To adjust or tighten the clutch, turn the nut counterclockwise using a 10-inch punch and hammer. Next, obtain the settings from the clutch nameplate and set the torque wrench accordingly. Slip the torque wrench and 1.5 inch socket on the clutch handle nut and lift up on the torque wrench to engage the clutch. Listen for the torque wrench to make a click sound at the same time the clutch engages. If the clutch engages before you hear the click, retighten the clutch and try again. Repeat this process until you hear the torque wrench click as the clutch engages. After the setting is complete, loosen the adjustment lock, slide the lock back down into place, and tighten the bolt. Finally, put the nameplate back on, tighten the bolts, and remove the lockout tagout. Your chipper is now ready for operation.